Ram dear student, in last session we had learned about addition of decimals. Today we are going to learn about subtraction of decimals. Now subtraction of decimal can be done by same way as we had done in addition of decimal. For example, let us see 27.39 minus suppose 18.458. Now first we need to convert this into like decimal, that is first we need to add 0 here. Now this will be your 27.390 minus 18.458. Now we have to subtract it. So to subtract, here it will be 8, this will be 10. So 10 minus 8, it will be 2. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Then again here it is 6. In place of 3, 13. 13 minus 4 is equal to 9. Here it is 1, and 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. So the answer is 8.932. It is same as we are doing subtraction of whole number. Just we need to remember is the point should be always in straight line. Now let us see exercise 8.6. To understand it, let's begin exercise 8.6. Now in exercise 8.6, question number first is, it is given subtract rupees 18.25 from rupees 20.75. Here it is given 18.25 from 20.25. So wherever from is there, from means ये पहले आएगा. So we can write rupees 20.75 minus rupees 18.25. 5 minus 5 is 0. 7 minus 2 is 5.1. Here it will be 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 0 rupees. So the answer is rupees 2.50. Here the answer is rupees 2.50. Now let us see the next one. Let us see the B one. Here B is 202.54 meter from 250 meter. Now here this is 202.54 meter here from 250 meter. So first we need to convert this into like decimal. So this will be meter from, here it is 250. So we can write 250 meter. Now when we subtract it, it will be 0 meter minus 202.54 meter. 202.54 meter. Now here meter will come as 0. 0 minus 4 is not possible. Here also 0. Here also 0. Here it will come 4. Here it will be 9. Here it will be 9, and here it is 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 2 is 7. 4 minus 0 is 4. Here it is 0. So the answer is 47.46 meters. So here also, as we had done in addition, here also we need to do the same thing, like the point should be in a straight line. Now let us see question number, the first one we had done. Now let us see it is D1. In D1 it is given 2.051 kilometer from 5.206 kilometer. Here both are, here also after decimal point 3 digit is there, here also after decimal point 3 digit is there. So we can write 5.206 kilometer minus 2.051. Here it is kilometer, here kilometer. When we subtract it, 6 minus 5 is equal to 5. Here kilometer. Then here it will be 1, here it will be 10. 10 minus 5 is again 5. Then here it will be 1. Now 0.3. So the answer is 3.155 kilometer. Let us come to question number 2. In question number 2, the first one, it is given 9.756 minus 6.28. 9.756 minus 6.28. The first we need to convert it into like decimal. So here we need to give point. Then it will be 9.756 minus 6.280. 9.756 minus 6.280. So it will be 6 minus 0 is 6. 5 minus 8 is not possible. So here it will be 6. Here it will be 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. 6 minus 2 is 4. 9 minus 6 is 3. So the answer is 3.476. Now let us do question number C. Here question number 6 is given. C is given 18.5 minus 6.79. 18.5 minus 6.79. So here again it is not like decimal. So first we will convert it. Now 18.50 minus 6.79. So here it will be 4. 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 4 minus 7 is again not possible. Here 7 and it will be 14. So 14 minus 7 is 7. Then 0.7 minus 6 is 1. So the answer is 11.71. So the same as we had done in addition, just we need to see this in same line. The decimal point should be in same line. Now let us see the word problem, that is question number 3. In question number 3 it is given that Raju bought a book for rupees 35.65. He gave 50 rupees to the shopkeeper. How much money will be get from the shopkeeper? Now what is the price of book? Price of book is given, rupees 35.65. Rupees 35.65. Then amount given to shopkeeper is equal to rupees 50. Here it is given that he gave rupees 50 to the shopkeeper. How much money will he get back? So we can say that amount he get back is equal to, we can say it is rupees 50 minus rupees 35.65. Now this not in this, so we can like decimal, so we can write here amount rupees 50.00 minus rupees 35.65. Now let us do it. 50.00 minus 35.65. So here 0 is 9, 4, 9, and here it will be 10. 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 5 is here decimal point, 9 minus 5 is 4, here it is 1. So we can say that is equal to rupees 14.35. So we can write here answer. So how much money he will get back? So he will get back rupees 14.35. He will get back rupees 14.35 from the shopkeeper. He will get back rupees 14.35 from shopkeeper. Let us see question number 5. Question number 5, it is given that Tina had 20 meter 5 centimeter long cloth. She cut 4 meter 50 centimeter of length cloth from this to making curtain. How much cloth is left with her? So first we will find out that length of cloth Tina had. Length of cloth Tina had is equal to, we can say 20 meter 5 centimeter, which is equal to 20.05 meter. When we convert it into decimal, it will be 20.05. Now she cut 4 meter 50 centimeter length of cloth from this. So now we can say that length of cloth cut, length of cloth cut for making curtain is equal to, we can write is equal to 4 meter 50 centimeters, which will be equal to 4.50 meter. 4.50 meter. Now what cloth is left with her? So we can write length of cloth left with her is equal to 20.05 minus 4.50 meter. So now we can 20.05 minus 4.50. So this will be, here it will be 9, sorry, 5 minus 0 is 5. Here it will be 9, here it will be 1. 10 minus 5 is 5. Then 9 minus 4 is 5, 1. So the answer is 15.55 meter. So we can say that, so 15.55 meter of cloth is left with her. 15.55 meter of cloth is left with her. So in this way we can get the answer of this. Now let us see question number 7. Question number 7 is, it says that Akash brought a vegetable weighing 10 kg. Out of this, 3 kg 500 gram of onion, 2 kg and 75 gram is tomato, and rest is potato. What is the weight of potato? Now weight of total vegetable, we can say that total weight of vegetables, then vegetable means all where we can get onion, tomato and potato also. Total vegetables is equal to 10 kg. You can say that weight of total is 10 kg. Now weight of onion, here it is given, weight of onion is 3 kg 500 gram, which is equal to 3.500 kg. 3 kg 500 gram means 300 kg. Then weight of tomatoes, is equal to 2 kg 75 gram, which is equal to 2.075 kg. It is 75 gram means 2.075 kg. Now weight of both this, weight of onion and tomato together, weight of onion and tomatoes together is equal to 3.500 plus 2.075 kg, which is equal to, so here we can add it, 3.500 plus 2.075, 5.575 kg. So this is the weight. Now first total weight is 10 kg, weight of onion is 3.500, weight of tomato is 2.075. Now weight of both onion and tomato together is 5.757 kg. So therefore we can say that weight of potatoes is equal to 10 minus 5.575 kg, which is equal to 10.000 minus 5.575 kg. So we can say 10.000 minus 5.575. Here it will be 9, 9, 9, 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7, 2, 4. Here it is 4. So the answer is 4.425 kg. So you have to find the weight of potato. So the weight of potatoes is 4.425 kg. 4.425 kg. So here first we have to find out the total weight, then the weight of onion and tomato. अगर इन दोनों का weight मिल के ये हो गया तो अब total weight में से अगर इनको निकाल देंगे then we will get the weight of potatoes, and which is 4.425. So here we end our exercise 8.6 and we also end our chapter 8, that is decimals. So whatever question remaining you have to do in as your homework in your notebook. Thank you.